Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious whipped cream using regular granulated sugar. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 pint of very cold heavy cream, about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a chilled mixing bowl with a whisk attachment. Keeping everything cold is absolutely key to achieving that perfect fluffy texture. This simple preparation ensures success. Now, let's start whipping. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin mixing on a medium speed. As the cream starts to thicken slightly, after about 1 minute, gradually add your granulated sugar. Continue whipping, increasing the speed to medium-high. This helps incorporate air quickly, building volume and creating a light, airy texture. As you continue whipping, pay close attention to the cream's consistency. You're aiming for soft peaks first. When you lift the whisk, the cream should form peaks that gently curl over at the tip. This light and airy texture is wonderful for dolloping onto pies, fresh berries, or hot chocolate. It's a versatile and delightful stage. For a firmer whipped cream, continue whipping past the soft peak stage. Stiff peaks will stand straight up when you lift the whisk. Be very careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your cream into butter. Enjoy your freshly made whipped cream immediately or store it covered in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.